New Jersey jury finds Johnson and Amp. A New Jersey jury on Wednesday cleared Johnson & Johnson of liability in a lawsuit brought by a man who said that asbestos in the company's talcum powder products caused his mesothelioma. The jury delivered its unanimous verdict in Middlesex County Superior Court in New Brunswick, just miles from J&J's headquarters, in the case of plaintiff Ricardo Raimondi. J&J, which faces some 13,000 talc-related lawsuits nationwide, denies that its talc causes cancer, saying numerous studies and tests by regulators worldwide have shown its talc to be safe and asbestos-free. J&J in a statement said the company's track record in the talc litigation underscored the J&J shares, which had been down slightly, turned positive after the verdict was announced and were up 23 cents at $138.80. Lawyers for the 58-year-old Raimondi could not immediately be reached for comment. Raimondi in 2016 was diagnosed with mesothelioma, a type of cancer that has been linked to asbestos exposure. He and his wife sued J&J in 2017. They alleged that the jury returned its verdict in favor of the company after just half an hour of deliberations, according to a live stream of the proceedings by Courtroom View Network. The healthcare conglomerate to date has faced 12 trials by plaintiffs claiming asbestos in talc caused their mesothelioma. J&J has now been cleared of liability in 4 trials, with another 5 resulting in hung juries and mistrials. 3 juries have. The majority of the 13,000 talc lawsuits against the company involve ovarian cancer claims. Juries in those cases. Plaintiffs' lawyers have more recently focused on arguing that asbestos contamination in talc caused ovarian cancer and mesothelioma. Reuters in December published a report detailing that the company knew that the talc in its raw and finished powders sometimes tested positive for small amounts of asbestos from the 1970s into the early 2000s. Test results the company did not disclose to regulators or consumers.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.